business owners, I am Donna Bordeaux with Calculated Moves. I want to talk to you about a little strategy today. We always talk about spring cleaning. Cleaning has now become an all seasons task. We all have too much stuff. We have a hard time getting rid of the stuff. Well, now is the perfect time to get rid of that stuff. Pass it along to someone else. And it's also a great time to sell that stuff. So whip out your laptop and get on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace and try to sell that stuff. It turns out right now prices have gone up a good bit because the manufacturing has been slow or offline for many retail products due to COVID. So your junk may be worth some good money right now, and you can clean up and purge. So get out, go back and look in the backs of the closets, look in your basement, look out in your garage, look in your back warehouse. Find those things that you are underutilizing or not utilizing at all and waiting for that day to come when maybe you'll be able to use it. Free that up, get some cash out of it, and let's move on and clean out your world. I'm Donna Bordeaux with Calculated Moves.